Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy earrings. So let's get started. To make these earrings, I'm going to use flat pliers, round nose pliers, and I've cut a piece of 20 gauge wire approximately 5 inches long. And I'm going to use a large permanent marker to shape this section. So I'm just going to take my marker and I'm going to wrap this around so that I have about a 1/2 inch overlap. And then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm going to form a loop with this end. And if you always place your wire right up against the edge of the round nose pliers, your loops will all be the same size. So that's how I'm going to do that. And then I'm just going to shape this so that this is on the inside. And then I'm just going to take that loop and bend it. Fix my loop and just bend it so that it's inside. So here I'm going to make another loop, and so I'm going to cut this about 3/4 of an inch, and I'm going to save this piece for my bead. So here's what I've got now. So now I'm just going to again put the wire right up against the tip of the nozzle, and I'm going to form a loop like that. Now I'm going to take this other piece, and on this end I'm just going to make one little flat bend so that I can put my bead on and it won't fall off. That little bend will keep it from falling off. I only need about 1/2 inch, so I'm going to trim this down to about a 1/2 inch, and I'm going to form a loop like that. And see how the loop is bent to one side? You're just going to straighten it out so that it's straight up. I'm going to place my bead on that loop and tighten that up. And there's what you'll have. And you can make your own ear wires like this. I'll put the link below for my video on how to make your own ear wires, or you can use a purchased wire. And today I'm going to use a purchased wire. And I'm going to attach my earring. And you could attach your earring directly on that bottom loop, but I added a jump ring, and I'll also put a link below for the video on how to make your own jump rings. And there you go. That's very quick and easy earrings that you can make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.